guys, by the time we're done with this challenge, your hair is going to be like, I'm about to take over.
Eh? Eh? Hey, don't worry. I'm about to take over.
Hello, my darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Miss Ozamoya, and this is Eunice Bar. You're welcome, every one of you, returning subscribers, new subscribers. You're welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification button to get notified every single time I post. So, guys, we are the third week.
Ain't no locking Egypt, beep 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 up in my G.
Week of our challenge. It's so exciting that we've gone this far together for this challenge, and I'm so excited for all of you that have joined this challenge in creating a remedy. Guys, today for this week our main focus is going to be detox. Our first week was all about moisture, our second week was all about growth, so this week is all about detoxing your hair scalp properly. And if you don't know what detox is, let me tell you what detox is. Detox is all about cleansing your hair scalp properly. Okay, not your scalp. Okay, detox, as we all know, is about cleansing, removing the dirt, the yama yama. According to Nigerians, they'll say it's yama yama. Removing the dirty, the yama yama from your body or your hair. Anything detox is just about removing the bad stuff from whatever you're removing it from. Anything detox is to cleanse, is to do a proper cleansing, and this is what we're going to be doing on our hair scalp this week. So guys, this week we just have 3 steps. Like, detoxing is not going to take much of your time, it's not going to stress you, it's not going to give you headache or anything. So I don't know when people say natural hair is so stressful to take care of. Okay, it's true, but not really all the time. It's not really that stressful if you put your free time and your commitment and you create like a routine. It won't stress you out, I promise you. When you're used to creating a routine for your hair, it won't stress you out. So without beating around the bush, let's get into the main focus of today. So like I said, it's actually 3 steps we're carrying out today. Nothing big, nothing hard, nothing stressful. Everything is just vibes and rest and inshallah. So guys, the things we're going to be doing today is detoxing our hair, moisturizing our hair, and putting it in a protective style. Easy peasy and period. So detoxing our hair, it's about really cleansing our hair scalp properly so that we can have a very clean scalp for a good moisture, which tend to help us have healthy hair growth and also a good hair. So now there are various ways of doing detox. Actually, there are 3 remedies I'm going to be talking about detox. The first detox remedy you can try is lime and cucumber. So guys, this is a remedy you can use to detox your hair properly. All you have to do is just to get a lime and a cucumber. What you do, you peel the lime, like the way you peel orange, that's how you're going to peel your lime. Now you cut it and you squeeze out the juice. That's what you need, the juice of the lime. Then for your cucumber, you just cut it, you chop it into pieces. Then you blend these 2 ingredients together, the juice and the cucumber. That's all you have to do. After blending them, you apply it on your hair like a mask. Like, just apply it on your hair like a cream or a mask. You just put it on your hair, then you leave it for an hour so that it can do the proper cleansing to your hair scalp. Can do it very well. So after an hour, you wash it off. It's as easy as that. That is the first remedy. Now the second one is going to be used of aloe vera. Like, aloe vera is almost everywhere, just in case you can't get lime or cucumber to buy. I'm sure that people plant aloe vera. You should have aloe vera in your house. If you don't, please guys, go and start planting aloe vera, because you'll be needing a lot of it for your hair. You will be needing a lot. Aloe vera has numerous benefits, like numerous benefits. So all you just have to do is you get your aloe vera, you peel away the back or be the skin of the aloe vera, you get the gel, then you blend it, you apply it on your hair, you leave it for an hour or two, then you wash it away. It's as easy as that. Now the third and the most effective one is the use of apple cider vinegar. Actually guys, why I didn't like want to say it first, because I know like the last time I checked, apple cider vinegar was like 2,000 naira for a small bottle. I don't know, and I know a lot of students watch my video and they're like, oh, I don't have 2,000 naira to just go and buy apple cider vinegar, so let me just use the cucumber and lime. But to be very honest, the most effective hair detox that actually works is apple cider vinegar. That is just the main truth, period. I'm going to tell you the main truth. Apple cider vinegar is the one that actually does the job. It's more effective and it has a different process of doing it. You know, using aloe vera, using lime and cucumber, we applied it first, then we wash with the shampoo. Now the thing about apple cider vinegar, you wash your hair first, then you apply it and you leave it, so it's just going to cleanse your scalp very well. And mind you, you don't apply apple cider vinegar directly on your hair like that. No, apple cider vinegar is very acidic. So what you have to do, you get a glass of apple cider vinegar and you get 2 glasses of water. You mix it properly. You mix a glass of apple cider vinegar and 2 glasses of water. 2 glasses of water. You mix them, and after washing your hair, you pour it on your hair and you leave it. It's going to cleanse your hair very well. It's very effective. So now guys, we're done with detoxing our hair. So what are we doing next? What? Of course, moisture. We need moisture to moisturize our hair after detoxing. And how we're going to do that? Well, either using the LOC method or SCO method. I've told you, your choice, the one that you feel it's preferable and nice for you. You try any of them to moisturize your hair. And finally, we put our hair in a protective style. So guys, can you see my protective style? It's nice, right? So this is the protective style I actually put my hair into after carrying out this week challenge. So you just do a simple protective style, nothing hard. Don't stress your hair. When you don't stress your hair won't stress you. So just do it, jeje. Just be relaxing. Just be calm. Be calming down, and your hair will calm. Like won't stress you. But when you decide to do too much, that's when your hair gets tired and wants to pay you back for the evil you're doing to your hair. So please don't stress your hair, so your hair won't stress you. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and tell your friends about this challenge. It's not too late. They can actually start from week 1 to week 3. We already have a playlist going on, so they can just go to my playlist and start the challenge for themselves. So till we meet again guys, bye. I love you, but God loves you more.